Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple Dollar Tree and Trash to Treasure DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Before I start, I just wanted to mention that this video is a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away 2 of these personalized signs to 2 lucky winners. And these are going to be the rules and guidelines to participate, and I'll be announcing the winner in the next video, so stay tuned. And also thank you all for always supporting me and enjoy what I do. That really means a lot, and this is just a small thank you. And with all of that said, let's get started.
Another time, another place, I just know it could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up.
For the first DIY, I just started off by spray painting this can, which was a tomato sauce can that I had recycled, and my husband just drilled a hole on each side so I could be able to add the handle. The handle is from this little blue bucket that I had from Dollar Tree a while back, so I decided to use it just to add a little bit more detail to the can. Now I'm just slightly adding some ivory chalk paint all over it, and I let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know.
Once the chalk paint was done drying, I'm just adding some greenery that I recently got from Walmart.
I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like this.
To cover the black of the coffee can, I'm using a metallic spray paint, and I'll be using the metallic spray paint for each DIY that I'm doing for this video. Since I'm going to be using the handle of the black bucket to make the hole, I just used a hot glue gun and I just placed it for a couple of seconds until it went through. I'm mixing some ivory and gray chalk paint together so I could paint the bucket and make it look a little bit more distressed.
I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade.
Now I'm just going to be adding some greenery and some pink roses.
Backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink.
For the third and fourth DIY, I'm going to be using the same ivory and gray chalk paint mixed together, but I added a couple drops of black paint so it could just be a little bit darker.
Good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
For decor, I'm going to be using this book I had, and I'm just removing the cover and just ripping a couple of pages until I made sure which one I wanted as a front page.
Wondering why I'm so hollow. You're showing me all of your best while I'm giving you what I got left.
Next, I'm going to be using some twine to wrap around the book and just make a simple bow. Now I'm just going to hot glue the wood piece onto the center of the basket. To decorate it, I'm just adding simple things I had around the house, like the book, a candle, and a clear milk bottle, and I'm just adding some lamier's.
You say I got nothing to lose, but baby, I know how it goes. And right now I feel it in my bones that I gotta go on my own. I got
I found these craft stickers at Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be a great idea if I used the blue truck to place on the center of the wood piece. For the last and final DIY, I'm just painting the bucket with the same paint that I used for the previous DIY.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
Now I'm going to be adding this lavender greenery that I got from Walmart, which was only $1.47 each stem.
Close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest dream.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. With all of that said, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.